Today we're going to be demonstrating the flat pack fire and barbecue grill and cooking pit, sold exclusively through campingandrvsupplies.com.au. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to demonstrate the product and the features and how it assembles and how you can use it. So here's one pretty much fully assembled without the spit attachments. And some of the features that you can see from here is we have a cooking grill. We have a utensil and pan support like that on the side, and that can be fitted on one side or the other or both. To just demonstrate how it goes together. So we've got our end pieces, and then we can start to slot together. So this is the first configuration. In this configuration, it's a very open fire pit, so when you want a really open fire, this is the way you'd use it. When you want to close it up a bit more, use the top slots. Okay, so here we have an open fronted fire pit configuration with the upright back. For most applications, you'll probably have both in the upright position, like so. That's your standard fire pit configuration. So now we have a few options and different ways to use it. So in one of the simplest configurations, simply drop the bars into place, and we can use it for supporting a frying pan over the fire or a camp oven, like so.
Cook on the barbecue like that.
Yeah, so it's very generous. There's plenty of room for very large pots and pans.
A large saucepan, or you could cook your large camp oven will sit on there comfortably.
Beautiful.
And you could do a damper or scones or
right.
Cook anything you want really. Stews would be great.
Now, if you need to reconfigure this while it's still hot, it also comes with the super duper tool, which has, very important for camping, bottle opener on the end.
Yep.
And then you have the other end, which is useful for disassembling hot parts of the barbecue. So we can pull out our bars, for example, like this. And then once we've done that, if we wanted to, we could reconfigure it. Should probably put them on.
Yep, they're our handy accessory.
Standard 2-item utensil and pan holder, off-fire holder.
Yep.
And then we have the grill plate, which sits nicely over like that. So flat grill, and then you have the open flame grill, and that's your pretty standard frying arrangement.
That's right. And you can, when you've been cooking on it, or if you wanted to have your pots and pans on the side, or a plate to serve up if you want to.
Very convenient. Or utensils.
Or put your tongs
you can hang your tongs or your Barbie mate on there, no problem.
Yep.
Okay, now the next thing we can do with this is we can have a spit roasting attachment. And the way we do that, and I think this is a pretty important feature, but when we fit this, it allows us to build an offset fire. So when you're spit roasting, if the meat is cooking directly over the hottest part of the fire, you tend to get fat and oil dripping and flare-ups, and that can burn the meat. By having a offset fire attachment like this, we can move the fire away from the center of the meat. So now when things fall down, they're not falling on the hot part of the fire and flaring up and burning the meat. So it allows you to more reliably get a better roasting, spit roasting outcome. Okay, so spit roasting attachments. Here we go.
Yep.
And it's just that simple.
That's it.
And now we can fit our motor unit and the spit, and away we go. Yeah, just throw him on there, nice and easy. Yeah. And then that goes in there, over there, and now you're spit roasting.
Yep, that's right.
A few hours on that and you got yourself a nice cut of meat. There we go. Use a battery operated motor unit, no power required.
That's right, yeah.
And the only thing missing now, Clive, is
It's the
maybe some
food.
chickens, yes,
Yeah, yeah.
and a cold beverage.
Oh,
It would
yeah.
also be the
That's
other
right.
thing I'm thinking of.